Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ruston, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the go-to moving company for your Ruston long-distance move. We are a reputable full-service moving company that provides much more than just moving services. We are FMCSA registered and compliant with a fleet of state-of-the-art, fully insured vans and trucks and an expert team of movers well-versed with the thousands of long-distance moves across the United States. If you're moving your new home or business to another place locally, you should also find professionals because every move, whether small or large, long or short, is challenging. A professional mover will also give you more support than you could with a DIY process or using a rental truck. You'll also save costs. You'll have an insured professional team doing all the packing and lifting, which means more safety. 3 Movers is one of the best local movers you can find in Ruston that has everything you need for a stress-free local move. Our pricing is reasonable, and we provide the options of hourly or flat rates depending on your move, and customer satisfaction is our pride. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ruston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.